Dear viewers, today we are going to discuss about concept of intelligence, its definitions, nature characteristics, factors, and types. Dear viewers, please watch the full video. The video will be followed by MCQs based on the presentation. Let us understand. Concept of intelligence. The word intelligence originates from the Latin word intelligentia, which is derived from the verb intelligere. This verb is a combination of two Latin roots, inter, meaning between or among. Leger, meaning to choose, to read, or to pick out. Thus, etymologically, intelligence means the ability to choose between or the ability to discern or understand. The picture depicts that. How psychologists define intelligence: the ability to learn, the ability to recognize problems, the ability to solve problems. Thus, intelligence is a complex and multifaceted mental capability that enables individuals to learn from experience, adapt to new situations, understand and handle abstract concepts, and use knowledge to manipulate their environment. It encompasses cognitive abilities such as reasoning, problem solving, planning, abstract thinking, comprehension, and learning. Intelligence is not limited to academic knowledge but also includes emotional, social, and practical aspects. Some popular definitions of intelligence are: 1. Alfred Binet, 1905. Intelligence is the ability to judge, reason, and comprehend well. 2. David Wetzler, 1958. Intelligence is the global and aggregate capacity to act purposefully, think rationally, and deal effectively with the environment. 3. Jean Piaget, 1950s. Intelligence is an evolving biological adaptation to the outside world. 4. Howard Gardner, 1983. Intelligence is the ability to solve problems or create products that are valued in one or more cultural settings. Nature and characteristics of intelligence. Dynamic and evolving, intelligence is not static, it evolves and develops throughout life with learning and experience. Multidimensional, intelligence includes various dimensions such as verbal, logical, emotional, and practical intelligence. Cultural influence, intelligence is influenced by cultural values and practices, as some skills are emphasized more in certain cultures. Adaptability, a key feature of intelligence is its ability to adapt to new situations and solve novel problems. Inherent and acquired, intelligence is influenced by genetic inheritance and shaped by environmental factors such as education and experiences. Individual differences, people differ in their levels and types of intelligence, which can be measured and analyzed. Biological basis, intelligence is linked to the structure and function of the brain, including neural connections and cognitive processing speed. Factors affecting intelligence. 1. Heredity. Genetic makeup plays a significant role in determining intelligence. Twin studies have shown a high correlation between the IQs of identical twins. 2. Environment. Environmental factors, such as family background, educational opportunities, socioeconomic status, and peer influence, significantly affect intelligence development. 3. Nutrition. Proper nutrition during prenatal and early childhood stages is critical for cognitive development. Malnutrition can impair intelligence. 4. Health. Physical and mental health directly influence cognitive abilities. Chronic illnesses or stress can affect intelligence negatively. 5. Education. Formal education fosters cognitive skills, critical thinking, and problem-solving abilities, enhancing intelligence. 6. Social and cultural context. Social interactions and cultural practices shape how intelligence is expressed and valued. 7. Emotional environment. A nurturing and emotionally stable environment encourages intellectual growth. Types of intelligence. Several theories have categorized intelligence into different types to better understand its diverse nature. 1. General intelligence. Spearman's G. Charles Spearman proposed that intelligence consists of a general factor, G, and specific factors, S. The G factor represents overall cognitive ability, while S factors pertain to specific abilities in areas like mathematics or language. 2. Multiple intelligences. Howard Gardner suggested that intelligence is not a single entity but consists of multiple intelligences, including linguistic intelligence, sensitivity to language, ability to read and write effectively, logical mathematical intelligence, aptitude for logical reasoning and problem solving in mathematics, spatial intelligence, ability to visualize and manipulate spatial dimensions, musical intelligence, talent for rhythm, tone, and sound recognition, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, control over bodily movements and coordination, interpersonal intelligence, skill in understanding and interacting with others, intrapersonal intelligence, self-awareness and understanding of one's emotions, naturalistic intelligence, sensitivity to nature and the ability to identify patterns in the environment. 3. Emotional intelligence, Daniel Goleman, the ability to perceive, understand, manage, and regulate emotions in oneself and others. Emotional intelligence includes self-awareness, empathy, motivation, and social skills. 4. Triarchic theory of intelligence. Robert Sternberg proposed three types of intelligence: analytical intelligence, problem solving, and logical reasoning. Creative intelligence, ability to generate novel ideas and think outside the box. Practical intelligence, street smarts or the ability to adapt to and manage everyday situations. 5. Fluid and crystallized intelligence, Cattell fluid intelligence, ability to reason and solve new problems without relying on past knowledge. It declines with age. Crystallized intelligence, knowledge gained through experience and education, which tends to increase over time. 6. Social intelligence, Thorndike, the ability to understand and manage social relationships effectively. 7. Naturalistic intelligence, recognizing patterns in nature and having a deep understanding of the environment. Dear viewers, let us solve some important multiple choice questions from the presentation. 1. Which of the following best defines intelligence? A. The ability to memorize facts. B. The capacity for reasoning, problem solving, and adaptation. C. The possession of academic skills only. D. A purely innate trait with no environmental influence. Answer: B. The capacity for reasoning, problem solving, and adaptation. 2. The theory of multiple intelligences was proposed by A. Robert Sternberg, B. Howard Gardner, C. Alfred Binet, D. Louis Terman. Answer: B. Howard Gardner. 3. Which type of intelligence refers to the ability to manage and understand emotions? A. Spatial intelligence. B. Logical mathematical intelligence. C. Emotional intelligence. D. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Answer: C. Emotional intelligence. 4. Fluid intelligence, as per Cattell, refers to A. Knowledge gained through experience. B. The ability to think and solve novel problems. C. Social skills and empathy. D. Emotional regulation and expression. Answer: B. The ability to think and solve novel problems. 5. Which intelligence involves skills such as visualizing and manipulating objects in space? A. Linguistic intelligence. B. Interpersonal intelligence. C. Spatial intelligence. D. Logical mathematical intelligence. Answer: C. Spatial intelligence. 6. Crystallized intelligence is primarily influenced by A. Genetics. B. Education and experiences. C. Physical health. D. Emotional stability. Answer B. Education and experiences. 7. Emotional intelligence was popularized by A. Daniel Goleman. B. Howard Gardner. C. Alfred Binet. D. Jean Piaget. Answer A. Daniel Goleman. 8. Which of the following is not a characteristic of intelligence? A. Adaptability. B. Multidimensionality. C. Static nature. D. Cultural influence. Answer C. Static nature. 9. The nature of intelligence as multidimensional suggests A. Intelligence has a single aspect related to academics. B. Intelligence includes multiple domains like linguistic, logical, and interpersonal. C. Intelligence cannot be assessed through standardized tests. D. Intelligence is purely biological. Answer B. Intelligence includes multiple domains like linguistic, logical, and interpersonal. 10. Alfred Binet is associated with A. The theory of multiple intelligences. B. The development of the first intelligence test. C. Emotional intelligence research. D. Crystallized intelligence theory. Answer B. The development of the first intelligence test. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.